Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing an abs and arm workout. Let's get started in a high plank with our 2 dumbbells on either side of us. All you're doing for 40 seconds is moving one dumbbell from the outside of your pinky to the other side of your opposite pinky. So using our core strength here, we're making sure that our hips aren't wiggling. You're just passing one dumbbell to the other side, crossing across your body, and then bring the other dumbbell to the other side. Keep going for 20 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You have a 10-second breather in between each tabata. So let's go ahead and get ready for the next one on our glutes, sitting back in a V hold with our dumbbells in front of us. Bring the right dumbbell through your armpit to the side and up and around, and same to the left, through the side, up and around, maintaining our core strength here, belly button to spine connection, hinging back. See if you can challenge yourself by just putting minimal weight with your feet on the floor. Keep going for 20 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather and get ready to lay on our back for some dead bugs. So dead bugs, if you don't know what they are, your knees are above your hips, your arms are above your shoulders, and you're going to lower your opposite arm and opposite leg to hover, bring it back in. Again, opposite arm and leg to hover, bring it back in, alternating from one side to the next. Keep going for 27 more seconds. Pro tip here, try to keep your back really flat against the floor. While it's really challenging to do so, only lower your legs and arms as low as you can if you can keep your back flat on the floor. The lower you go, the more challenging. So make sure that you're protecting your back and engaging your core. Keep going for 8. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We go ahead into that high plank with our dumbbells on either side, moving them from one side to the next, and then the other side to the next. Let's go. 40 seconds on. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's find that V sit for those arm pulls back. So rolling our shoulders back, sitting on the top of our glutes, engaging the core here. We bring the dumbbell out and back and up and over. Again, to the side, up and over. While we do those twists, it's really, really important that we keep both sit bones on the floor. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We have 10 seconds to go until our final dead bug exercise. So we have 40 seconds of those dead bugs. Let's go. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Let's move on to the arms portion of this exercise. Sitting in a comfortable position, you're going to find your arms in second position, holding your dumbbells, and you're just doing little circles with your arms. Let's go for 40 seconds. Be sure to engage your core here, keep the shoulders in line, rolled back, and maintain good posture. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we're going to find fifth position, framing our beautiful faces. We're just going to bring the arms from fifth to first. If you find that this is too difficult with the weights, you can always get rid of them because it is still just as much of a workout without the added extra weight. So keep going. If you want to challenge yourself, take your arms up, open them to the side, bring them back into first, and bring them up. Really keeping our core connection here as we do these positions, and really, really, really try to keep a nice and tall back. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Shake it out for 10 seconds. The next exercise, we're going to take our left arm in front, right arm behind in a first arabesque position, and we're going to do pulses in our first arabesque. Let's go. This was really, really challenging, and we're going to stay on one side because we're going to repeat everything again so we can do the second side, so don't you worry. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. You have 10 seconds in between. We're going to start these tabatas over from the first set. We did second position circles. Try to see if you can reverse those circles. Let's go for 40-second arms wide. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, I know this is really challenging, but we are almost there. Only 2 more sets to go. The next one was that port-a-bras exercise with our arms in fifth. You bring them into first. You open them to second, or you can just keep it from fifth to first. It's up to you. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we are at the end. The end is near. Let's take our right arm in front, left arm open, keeping our back nice and lengthened and our core engaged for these first arabesque pulses. We are almost there. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we made it. Let's go ahead and stretch it out. Take our left arm across our body in a well-deserved stretch. After this, you can bring the elbow above your head in an even nicer stretch. And we'll do the same thing with the right arm across our body to stretch the outside of that right bicep. And let's stretch that tricep. Bring the elbow up and over your head in a nice side stretch. Option to clasp your hands together behind your back and fold forward just to relax your shoulders and upper back. And let's go ahead, find a tabletop position, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into a downward facing dog. This should feel so good. Lastly, let's gently come down and sit back in a child's pose. Option to take your hands on either side of your body here and just relax. Well, guys, we survived. We made it. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, how you want to get strong, and how I can help. So have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.